What's up, my little stingrays? Was that weird? Little stingrays? Anyway, one word that I use all the time. Trash. One thing that I am all the time. Trash. What are we gonna make a dress out of today? Trash bags! I haven't made anything before out of not fabric. I got some white, just some thin trash bags. And then I got the real thick, heavy-duty trash bags. Scissors. I don't know why this is all the way over there. I'm just like, okay, and sticky tape. Sticky tape, scissors, trash bags. Let's make this into the most beautiful gown you've ever seen in your life. Okay, I'm gonna get one. In my head, I want it to be like a halter. So let's start off with the cups. What would be the best way to do this? That's what I'm thinking. Alrighty, let's just cut straight down here. Ooh, oh my god, you know when the scissors just fucking slide through? Oh, probably weird. Alright, let's continue. Okay, so I'm doing a V here. I'm not really sure. I think we should just finish it at that. Are you serious? This is looking good. Alright, I got my cups. I don't know if I'll use the white trash bags. I feel like I'm going for an elegant look. So I just need to do a waistband. I'm just cutting out a waistband. Let's try this on and see how it fits. Oh wow, so beautiful. Sticky tape's just like sewing, except without the needles. Fuck it. Let's double tape it. Let's secure this bitch. Make sure she ain't going anywhere, cause I'm gonna wear this to my prom. It's weird saying prom as an Australian. Alright, so let's just like stick these in here, hey. This is going blindly. Is that a describing word? I don't know. Sticky tape that shit just there, bitch. Alright, yeah, she's looking good. I wanted to say, how far away are my titties? And then I looked down and I was like, bitch, what titties? Wow. Okay, I know. I think we can still make this work. Alright, so this is everything so far. It's looking great, okay? Right? This is working, isn't it? Maybe like a little like gathered skirt. And then maybe a train at the back. That is what I wanted to do in the first place. Alright, let's try that out. Let's get these scissors. Let's just cut. Oh, wow. Hi. Oh yeah, we just gliding over here. Okay, let's cut this. Let's cut it in half. See where that gets us. Okay, I'm gonna cut this in half one more time. I didn't really think about how noisy this video would be. So now let's like gather it and stick it to the waistband. A nice little gather, or when you're using trash bags, it's a scrunch, they call it, I think. What's this situation though? Is this just gonna like come apart? I need to sticky tape this together? I think so. Bitch, just get more sticky tape. Am I gonna be able to make this in just 2 trash bags? It's efficient. Whoa. Wow, this is crazy. Just fucking rip. You don't even need to use scissors anymore. 2 bags for a whole beautiful dress. That's what I call a bargain. This is how Coco Chanel started. Doesn't this sound just fucking great? I'm gonna try this on and we'll see what the fuck is happening, because I don't know. Alrighty, I tried it on and I realized what needs to be done. Do you mind? Excuse you. So I'm gonna add that drain because it looks pretty fucking cute, I reckon. Okay. It's going to be like a cute little cocktail dress. The front center, because this is going to be like this. I'm just going to cut sideways to give us that train effect. Was that enough to cut off? Should I try it on again? See where we're at? I think so. I'll be back. Hey, I don't know how much of me you're going to be able to hear over the sound of this dress, but this is the final result. Wow, sitting down is a bit suspicious. Not doing too well, but yeah, I just put the dress on and then cut everything off that I didn't want and sticky taped a bit more, but this is definitely, I'm sure there's a nip slip there somewhere. This is definitely just for photos because I feel like I can Hulk out of it right now. Okay, maybe not. Maybe I'm not as strong as I thought. It felt like I could, but I'm just really fucking weak. I have to sit really still so it just like doesn't make any noise. I can't breathe either. Okay. This is uncomfortable. This video was a little different to my normal tutorial videos. I sort of want to definitely try different shit like this using like unconventional stuff. Project Runway, I'm not coming for your fucking brand, mate. This was so much fun. I loved it. If you liked it, leave a like. If you subscribed it, leave a subscribe. Come subscribe to my channel. All my socials are down below if you want to follow me on anything and anything. And I'll be back soon with some more tutorials. I don't know, leave some comments below if you want to see anything. I'm not sure. Hey, thank you for watching and we'll see you later. That was definitely simply illogical, wasn't it? He's like, please help me. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching.